Alright, gather up. We've got a rapidly evolving situation and we don't have time to lose. Detectives from the Auto Theft Task Force were conducting a routine warrant service at Caesar's Cars in North Hills. Something went wrong, and now we've got officers down and a shootout in progress. This dealership has been watched for some time, and the owners are likely using it as a launch pad for the packaging and sale of illegal weaponry. The original intel was that a big deal was going down tonight. With the cover blown, we need to get in and try and salvage as much evidence as we can. We've got no time to waste on this one. We've got 2 main entry and exit points on side 1 and side 3. I want a team on each. Things have already escalated, so we're going in hot. We need to get things under control so that the trailers can get the casualties out of there.
Do we have anybody on the inside?
None of the raid team made it inside. We don't know what happened, but the cover was blown before they gained access. However, 2 detectives are working undercover in the dealership. One we know is now deceased. The other is still alive, but it's only a matter of time if we don't get in there and take control. Okay, we're a few minutes out. Are there any questions?
No, sir.
That's what I like to hear. We're walking into a shitstorm, people. Keep those communication lines open. I want to know what's going on at all times. Now, get ready to move.
This call's being recorded. What's your emergency?
Hi. Yeah. You probably already know this, but there's a shootout happening outside Caesar's Cars in North Hills. I don't know what's happening, but cops are being shot. You need to get more people over here.
Sir, I'm gonna need you to calm down for me, okay? Can you please tell me again what's happened?
Someone inside the car shop is shooting cops. I don't know what's happened. I was just out walking my dog, and suddenly all hell broke loose. I see cops lying on the ground, and the others start shooting.
You say the police are shooting?
Well, yeah, they were getting shot at first from inside the car place. I don't know what's happening now. I booked it out of there, and I'm not planning on going back to check.
No, stay away from the area, sir. The police are inbound, so please...
I just moved into this neighborhood. God, I thought it would be okay up here.
Sir, don't panic. Get to safety. The police are aware of what's going on and are inbound. Please do not go back. You said you live nearby, right?
What? Yeah, I'm like a block from my house.
Okay, great. As long as you can get there without going back the way you came, I'd go home and lock your doors. Everything's gonna be fine, okay?
I can get home.
Great. Stay safe, sir.
Captain Porter, please call desk.
Doc, new element. Our negotiators just lost contact with the suspects. They are angry and volatile. You are go for entry.
Chem light out. Split the stack on this door.
Problem.
Provide support on me. Split and provide cover on this door.
Get on the ground, now!
Asshole!
Hands up! Drop the weapon!
Putting it down.
Put your hands
okay?
up!
Move there. Red.
Shit!
Post up right side. Cuff him. Turn around and stay still.
Hands in the air! Drop the weapon and get down!
We will!
Hands up! Drop to your knees!
Restrain them.
What the fuck? Police, don't fucking move! Police, get down! Fuck you, perros! Drop the weapon now! Drop the weapon and get... Police, hands on your head! Drop the weapon and get... Put the weapon down! No! Give up!
Restrain him.
Going in a cuff.
Whoa, hey, wait!
Look away.
You'll be watching your back for a
Cuff him.
long time.
Cuffin'.
You did this to yourself. Leave the talk. One in custody.
Doc here. Trailer standing by.
On me. Move. Enter the room and clear.
Get down on your knees! Let's go!
Got an opening up ahead. On the right. Dropping a light.
Police, hands up!
Let me see those hands!
Drop the gun now! Red down! Moving!
Move over there.
I'm moving.
Start a search.
Doing it.
Good to go. Handcuffing.
Quiet.
Good to go.
Element to talk. Suspect in custody.
Please, this is Doc.
Transport.
Send him.
Split the door.
Safe. That's affirmative.
Fuck.
Red, search and secure the area.
Your friend didn't last long, huh?
Yep, got it bagged.
All good.
Safe.
Move in. Clear the room. Enter the room and clear.
Yep. Get there.
Let me see those hands!
Red. Split and cover. Jam the door.
Opening on the left.
Provide support on me. Dynamic movement. Move and clear. Check the threshold.
Got one.
Got an opening up ahead. All teams. Move in and clear.
I'm ready.
You okay? Start a search. Blue, search and secure.
Acknowledge. LSPD, don't move!
Stay down and turn around.
Keep the lights on at night, mother.
Lead the talk. Suspect is restrained and ready for trailers.
Down on the ground, move!
Entry team, this is Doc. Trailer's en
I'll
route.
get him ready.
Searching.
Safety procedure.
Red, search and secure the area. Block that door.
Doc, you entry team. Beauty. Keep them coming.
Don't make this worse on yourself.
Son of a bitch!
Begin a search. Secure any contacts.
Doc to element. Keep going.
Element to talk.
Officer casualty!
I'll bag it.
Doc reporting. Continue with your mission.
И всех козлят сел. Только один козленочек сохранился.
Write a very big check for you, amigo.
Stay on me.
You got point.
What happens when you don't mind your own business?
Fall in behind me.
Got your back.
Block the door.
Wedge is good to go.
I'll save it.
Use the door jam.
I'll wait.
Go.
bag it.
Door jam ready.
Evidence secured.
Let's make a deal.
Wedges in. We're good.
Lot of dead cops
Secure the area.
outside.
Roger.
Sweepy.
Red team. Over there.
On the way.
Gold team. Split and provide cover on this door.
Just take these off and I'll walk away.
Doors unlocked.
Door jam, go.
Wedge here. Has high ground cleared the skylight area? Jammed it.
Post up and cover. Let's move.
Down on your goddamn knees! Get on the ground, now! Hands up now! Drop to your knees! Get down and keep your hands... Put your fucking hands up! Down on your knees!
I'll do it.
Get down on your knees!
Ready.
Hands up!
Switch with me.
Reaching!
Hands in the air!
Red, use a jam.
Door jam.
Put a jam on that door.
Gonna jam it.
Search and secure the area. Lead the talk. Collecting evidence.
Talk reporting.
Good.
Confirming evidence secured.
Civilian, ready to go.
Talk. Civilian good to go for evac.
Talk to lead. Excellent work.
Which is good.
Don't stop
Split
now.
the door.
Acknowledge. Cam light.
Red team. Split the stack and provide cover.
Locked. How do you want to do it?
C2, flashbang it and clear it.
Put it down! Slow up now!
Explosive ready.
Hands up high! Don't make any mistakes! Drop it!
Let's blow it.
Blue, split the stack on this. Block that door.
Wedge ready.
Light stick.
Unlocked.
Wedge is ready.
Start a search.
10-4.
Enter and clear.
Moving!
Got it open
Slowly,
here.
get down on the ground! Get down, now! Get your hands up!
There.
LSPD, don't move! Hands up! Above your head! Hands up! Down on your knees!
Turn around. Keep your hands up.
Don't run!
Relax.
Secured. Evidence good to go.
Fucking release me, policeman, huh?
Entry team to talk. One suspect in custody, compliant. Search and secure.
Doing it.
Element, this is Talk. Great work, entry team. Keep it up.
Hands in the air!
On me, move.
LSPD, don't move!
Move and clear.
Moving into place.
Move in, clear the room.
Right with you.
LSPD, don't move! Police, get your hands up!
Move in and clear it.
No problem.
Move in, clear the room.
Swap.
Reaching!
Opening on the left.
Dropping a light.
Turn around slowly.
Nothing.
Officers are outside. Go.
Let's go! Over here, we need help!
Opening here.
Left.
Cam light out.
Post up on the right.
Roger that.
Stack up. On my 6.
You got point.
Move there.
On my way.
Cover the area.
On it.
Chem light. Go, go, go!
Got an opening up ahead. On the right.
Hands above your head. Front down.
Element, move to my front.
I'm moving.
There, move.
On the move.
Red, there, go.
Moving out.
Split the stack up, jam the
Getting into
door.
place.
Door jam ready.
Blue, begin a search. Secure
On
any
it, hack it up.
contacts.
I'll get it. Wedge ready. Suspect cuffed and secure.
Red team, stack up right side.
Yup.
Jam that door.
I'll block
Blue,
it.
post up and provide cover.
10-4.
Enter the room and clear. Ready.
Switch.
Moving on the left. Put it down. Don't move.
Red,
Light stick out. Look away.
split and cover. Blue team,
Suspect secure.
Talk. Suspect secure.
Talk here.
Nothing
We're
here.
ready.
red team,
Unlocked.
Suspect down. Requesting Thames.
This is Talk.
split the stack and
EMTs
provide
trailers
cover.
are standing by.
Post up and cover. Blue, search and secure.
On it. It's open.
Stay
Good to
still.
go.
Do not move.
I knew this was coming.
I got nothing here.
Talk.
Moving into
Suspect
handcuffs.
secured.
This is Talk. Trailers incoming. Proceed with caution.
Police, you're under arrest! Police, get down on the ground!
Civilian is ready. Entry
Fall
team
in
to
behind
Talk.
me. Begin a search.
Entry team.
Secure any
No.
contacts.
Proceed with mission.
Split and provide cover on this door. Jam the door.
Door jam ready.
Arrest him.
Copy.
It's not over yet.
Entry team to talk. Suspect in custody. Ready for transport.
Lead, this is Talk. Keep going.
Fall in.
I'm with you.
C2, then flash it.
Knowledge.
Got some bang for your buck. Setting it now.
Police! Get down on the ground! Now! Drop it and get down! Hands up! Do it now!
Search the room for contacts.
I got it.
Tie them down.
Stay still and don't move. Got them all zipped up.
To talk.
Suspect ready. To talk.
Talk to lead.
Ready.
We're ready for him.
Secure the area.
Copy.
I'm gonna get out of this, amigo. I always do.
Red, wait. Cover this area.
I'll zip it up.
Zipped up.
On me.
There's 6.
Not a damn cops out.
I got it.
Provide cover.
I'm in safe.
Flash.
Empty over here. No contacts.
Loading.
Nothing.
Dynamic movement. Move and clear.
Going. Opening on the left. Chem light out.
Gold. Search the room for contacts.
I got cuffs.
Blue team, provide support.
On you. Lead to TOC. Suspect down. Wounded.
TOC to entry team. Make them stable and proceed with
Split
mission.
the door. Lock the door.
Which is good to go.
Restraining.
Evidence secured.
Suspect is ready.
Red, search and secure the area. Provide support on me. You got point.
Which is good.
Split the stack and provide cover.
Into place.
Post up. Stay on me.
I'm with you.
Split the stack on this door.
I'm on it.
Post up and cover the area.
Hey, who you think?
Go, go, go!
Huh?
Good to go.
Charge ready.
Cover your ears, boys.
Ready and explosive. All way left side. Cam light.
Hands up!
Sit down and put your hands up.
Hands up!
I'll stay busy.
All secure the area.
Got it. Handcuffs.
Look away. Don't move.
Got it.
Suspect secure, ready for trailer.
TOC well elements.
Start a
Trailer
search.
incoming. Proceed with caution.
Got it.
Lead to TOC. Suspect secure, ready for trailer.
TOC here. Trailers en route.
Start a search.
Yep.
Element to talk. Bagging it up.
Lead, this is TOC. Secure the area and we'll send forensics in.
Opening up ahead.
Opening on the
Search and secure the area.
I'll bag it.
Empty over here. No contacts.
Suspect ready to go. Sweeping. Good here. Chem light out.
Gonna pack it up.
I can write a
Good here.
Entry team, this is TOC. That's how we get it done, folks. Roll in for debrief.